right, we're talking about pop squeeze noises, and also this is a Toyota RAV4. Let's listen. This one had a jerking motion. It had all kinds of noises up front. Tyler, go ahead. All right, what's going on with that?
Sway bar link's a little loose.
Sway bar links loose. Probably time to replace those. Other noises. Well, that could be making a noise. Oh, there we go.
The other one's loose too.
Yep, that's going to make a noise. And how's the exhaust on this one?